listen very carefully. Why don't you start with something simple? How about a nice hello? Hello! Very good. Now introduce yourself. Tell everyone here your name. Amigo! Hear that? One more time. What's your name? Amigo! Amigo is his name. Amigo, be polite and greet all these nice people. How are you? So how are you feeling this afternoon? Feeling good?
Good.
Very good to hear. Very good. Amigo is also very smart. See, he has learned to count. Now he's going to count for us 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, Amigo. 1 to 10 in English. Now to impress you even more, he will count one more time, but this time 1 to 10 in Chinese. Wow, you be the judge. Listen to Amigo. Amigo, ready? Count again. This time in Chinese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Welcome, Amigo. No problems with the counting. So let's do some singing now. He's going to sing for us 3 songs in 3 different languages. Song number 1 is a local children's song. It's a Chinese song and it's called Parrot Talk. That means when a guest comes to visit. Hang on, ready? Sing the song in Mandarin. Very good, Amigo. Let's go live. Word for word. Locals, they'll be familiar with that song. Now, song number 2 is also a local song, but this time it's a Malay song. It's a catchy tune and it's called Rasa Sayang, which simply means feelings of love. Really romantic word. Are you ready? Sing Rasa Sayang. Our friendly buddy, and he wants to tell me something. What is it, Rocky? Oh, everyone, Rocky is celebrating his birthday today. Very good, Rocky, very good. And for those of you who are also celebrating a birthday, Amigo has a nice birthday song. Listen to Amigo. Amigo, ready? Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And a very happy birthday to you, Rocky. And to all of you who are celebrating your birthday. So the next time you're celebrating your birthday, come to the bird park. Amigo here will sing you a nice birthday song just for you on your special day. Good job.